Hi folks, it's Dr. Christine here again from the AI Wellness Universe, and today I want to show you how to use the AI avatar photo shoot and create images that have you in the middle, and you can place yourself anywhere where you can imagine, from Mars to universe to New York City or wherever you want to do. I placed myself in the Taj Mahal, at the pyramids. You don't have to travel, you can do it with AI, and it's a lot of fun. So here's how you go about doing it. The first step is to train your model. Here I have a completed model. I had some fun with the model of Yoda, but be careful of copyright. So let's train your model and go step by step. You can have a product, you can give it a name, and you have to give it a handle, and then 8 to 30 images. So if you use a product, for example, a cell phone case or something you want to sell as a product, or a beautiful supplement, you can certainly take images, a minimum of 8, high quality, at least this pixel wide, and you can set your phone, usually is the best way to take those images, and take them so you can, they're sharp, they're crisp, and against a clear, clean surface. The less busy the surface, the better the result. And it can be, if it's a person, you must be the only person on the image. If it's an image with 5 people on it that hugging each other, AI has no idea who to pick. And a variety of backgrounds is best, but it needs to have you as a focus and in different positions. So if you want to create an image that has your body shape halfway decent, it helps when you have an image of you in different poses. You're washing dishes, you're walking, you are on a party laughing, different facial expression, different hairdos from the back, from the side. As the more, the better. Honestly, it's very important. And of course, all those pictures have to be either your own, or you have to have permission to use them. I cannot ever, and you cannot, it's not legal to use somebody else's images to train one of those models. Now, with the person, you usually pick a gender, for example, female, give it a full name that you wanted to have, and then a handle. And now I already trained this, so I'm not doing it again. And then you add images from your hard drive, give it a label, and the handle is the one that recognizes you. Don't make it too long. So 30 images are perfect. If you can't have it, use 8 images. And once you add images, I think it costs a few dollars, but it's well worth doing. Now say you have it trained, like this one, Yoda, right? And then all you need to do is go in and generate an image, and you enter it, and you use your model training data, AI Yoda, and you can create images like these easily. Now, of course, in different variations. That's a default. I don't know if I played around with different models here. Yeah, I put him in the middle of nowhere on the universe. I had fun letting him jump. And when you want to see the prompt, you just click here and it shows you how easy it is. AI Yoda jumping from planet to planet in a dark blue starry world, his face bright and shining in awe, looking at the viewer, one leg lifted up, the other leg on the ground as he leaves. His whole body posture expresses the thought, the greatest teacher failure is. Now, how did I arrive at those prompts? Because the prompt makes the image. There's another one, jumping from planet to planet. And here expresses happiness, right? Look at the prompt. He is thinking. I tell AI what he's thinking, and it comes out sometimes better, sometimes worse. Now, this is a primitive puppet from Walmart. And of course, I don't have the copyright to prompt images from it, but you can do that with yourself. And I'll show you how I did that in our mothership system, as I call it. And here I tried to get him some teeth. So what did I do to get him teeth? I added in the prompt. Small figure, his mouth is open in a smile, showing white teeth. Now, the original puppet, it does not have any teeth. It's toothless. So it's interesting, AI can even do that. That said, let's see how to create that prompt here, right? We have a prompt generator, prompt crafter for AI photo shoots. So you want, say, AI Yoda. No, I want an image of Yoda deliberating in ancient Greece in the famous stadium in Athens, right? Photo shoot name is AI Yoda. This is a name that I've created. Text overlay, win. Just simple. You can edit it later. And all this up here gives you the prompt that pretty much guarantees you a wonderful output of the image. You don't need the prompt explanation, although it is nice to read. And here's the prompt I take. Then you go back to the AI photo shoot. And here we go, AI Yoda. Click on it and replace this one here with the one we just created. And I recommend, when it says AI Yoda, surround, let me see, it's center stance, and here I want to have AI Yoda. It actually pops up, so you can take the extra Yoda away. There, Yoda. Now, sometimes I make a mistake, so that's fine. Portrait with lifelike subtle Jedi. Integrate curved supply Yoda. No, I wouldn't do that. So we can definitely take that away. Overlay Win, elegant, seft up, keep, stadium. Don't repeat the prompt with his name more than once. Okay. Yoda. Let's see. I just want it like that. Carved subtly in the base of a column. I do not add the add sign again because I only want it once. It makes the image better. Sometimes it duplicates it. So now let's see, what do we want? This one could be 4x3. Let's just have fun with it. Create another one. And as I said before, I don't know if I did, these images are unlimited in our system. They don't cost any credits. They don't cost any money besides a monthly subscription that starts at $17 a month, which is less than ChatGPT, and we include ChatGPT Simulator, so you don't need ChatGPT. Everything you want to know and sort and organize is in the system. It learns your brand, it learns your preferences over time, and gives you perfect images like this. Here is Yoda winning, right? This is win. Is there AI Yoda anywhere? I don't see it, which is just as good. This is a nice image, and that's how you do it. And you can download them, copy them, see the prompt later, so you see what you used, and copy it if you want to. You can even edit the image. You can regenerate it or make more. I would always download it first. You can remove the background. I love the background. I would not do that. You can upscale it, which I wouldn't do. You can do all kinds of things and share the link or throw it out. Why would I throw it out? I love it. And this system gives you 5 terabytes storage. So I haven't, in a year and a half, from daily 50 to 100 images, videos, that's all, and other stuff that we create with our system for social media, marketing, health apps that we have. Book writers, nutrition recipes, web builders. We have everything you need. Bible AI is gorgeous. I have to make a training about that. And we have everything you need to create excellent marketing, images and copy and content. Everything for less. And so if you want it, Below the video is a link. You can talk with us and get the system, or you can just buy it, whatever's your fancy. And we would love you to have a member. We include an onboarding call and weekly live training in all our tiers. That's it. I hope you enjoyed AI Yoda, and we'll see you again. Bye-bye.